Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Fish Audio, one of the most powerful and free AI voice generators available right now. If you've ever wanted to create ultra-realistic AI voices for your videos, audiobooks, or even for fun, this tool is a game changer. With Fish Audio, you get advanced text-to-speech, voice cloning, and even speech-to-text capabilities. Plus, it offers high-quality voice generation at half the cost of major competitors like 11 Labs. But the question is, how good is it really? Can it truly deliver studio-quality AI voices for free? Let's find out. The link to Fish Audio is in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to create an account on Fish Audio. Just head over to fish.audio and sign up using your Google account. It's super easy and takes just a few seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll notice several options at the top of the dashboard. Discovery, explore trending AI voices. Text-to-speech, TTS, convert your text into lifelike AI-generated speech. Voice cloning, create an AI clone of your own voice. My Voice Library, store and manage your cloned voices. Premium, unlock higher quality and unlimited generation options. Let's go through each feature one by one and see how it works. First, let's check out the Discovery tab. Here, you'll find a wide range of pre-generated AI voices, including some famous personalities like Donald Trump, Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, and even anime characters. Let's listen to one of the voices.
Folks, we're doing things nobody thought possible.
Okay, you guys literally need to see this new foundation brush.
Wow.
Hey there! After months of intensive development, Fish Audio 1.5.
Hey there, fabulous AI enthusiasts.
So, the key to effective noise reduction is...
That sounds really impressive, right? The clarity, tone, and emotion make it almost indistinguishable from a real human voice. Now, let's test out the text-to-speech feature. This is perfect for creating voiceovers, narrations, or even AI-generated dialogues. Enter the text you want to convert into speech. Choose a voice model. Fish Audio recently introduced Model 1.6 Beta, which offers breaks, long pauses, breathing sounds, and even laughter.
Folks, we're doing things nobody thought possible.
Okay, you guys literally need to see this new
In pursuit of eternity.
Development.
In advanced settings, you can enable high-quality mode for the best results. Adjust speed and volume to fine-tune the voice output. Finally, click on Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a fully generated AI voice ready to play.
Creating AI videos is easy. Choose an AI video generator. Upload text, images, or video clips. Customize with AI avatars, voices, and animations. Adjust scenes, transitions, and effects.
Wow, that sounds incredibly realistic. And the best part? You can download it instantly with just one click. One of the most powerful features of Fish Audio is its voice cloning. This allows you to replicate your own voice into an AI model, which you can then use for future projects. Here's how to do it. Click on Voice Cloning from the menu. Enter your voice details, including privacy settings, public, unlisted, or private. Upload a cover image and description. Upload a voice sample. Minimum 10 seconds, maximum 270 seconds. For best results, use 30 to 45 seconds of clear, uninterrupted speech. Click Upload and Process, and in a few minutes, your voice will be cloned. Now, let's test out the cloned voice.
To help develop your marketing strategy, could you specify a few key details? For example, 1. Your primary business objectives. 2. Target demographic information.
That's insanely accurate. It sounds just like me. This feature is perfect for content creators, businesses, or even for fun voice experiments. Now, let's talk about pricing. Fish Audio offers a free plan, but if you need more advanced features, you can upgrade to Premium. Free plan, 1 hour of realistic AI voice generation per month. Generate clips up to 3 minutes long. Access to standard processing speeds. Premium plan starts at $6.66 per month. Unlimited generations. Higher quality AI voices. Generate clips up to 30 minutes long. Even on the free plan, the results are really impressive, making Fish Audio a fantastic tool for those who want professional quality AI voices without spending a fortune. So, is Fish Audio the best free AI voice generator? After testing all the features, I'd say yes, realistic AI-generated voices with natural tone and emotion, fast and easy text-to-speech generation, powerful voice cloning technology, affordable pricing, and free plan. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, marketer, or just love experimenting with AI voices, this tool is a must-try. Click the link in the description to check out Fish Audio for free and start generating amazing AI voices today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tech reviews. See you in the next one!